Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut's AI expand tool, how to use it and how you can generate a new background or how you can extend photo background using this tool. So if you guys didn't know, this is a new feature on CapCut where you can easily extend photo backgrounds with only just one click and by adding a simple prompt. So let's just start it by clicking on a new projects in here and find the photos that I want to expand. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this photos right here. You can tap on add. And now to find the AI expand tool, you can just simply click on a photo on the timeline and just swipe through the toolbar at the bottom and you'll find this AI expand. You can tap on that. Here you can choose the ratio that you want to generate. For example, I'm going to go with 16:9, and in here you just need to describe what you want to generate if you want to. So this is optional, so you can just leave it if you don't want to use prompt. If you want to just automatically let CapCut do its magic, you can just tap on generate in here. And as you guys can see here, if you're only on the CapCut free version, you just have two free uses. So after it is gone or after it has been used, you need to pay for it. You need to join the CapCut Pro to be able to use this feature again. So let's just tap on generate and let's just CapCut do its magic by generating the AI expand. You can see the time left, the waiting time in here. As you guys can see here, the estimated time left is 3 seconds. Okay, so now it has been generated. You can see there are 4 options that you can select it. You can each preview one of them, one of each like this. This is the first one, the second one, the third one in here, and the last one. So you can just choose which one that you like the best. I think I like the third one in here. And if you don't like with this result, you can always click on this regenerate again. But then if you are only on a free CapCut, you only have one chance to use this AI tool freely. So after you like with the result, you can just tap on the check icon. Now you can just go back, or you can just need to click on the check icon at the top to be able to save it. So I'm going to change the aspect ratio to match with the photo, and this is the result. You can see the photo is much better now. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.